going to create a box and whisker plot of the number of people who live on each block in town. Some blocks have houses and some blocks have garden apartments. I plan to find this information in a census report of the town, but I could also take a survey. Let's look at the problem. I have a data set containing the values 21, 25, 32, 35, 36, 44, 46, 49, 53, 57, 61, 67, and 73. Part A. Create a box and whisker plot of the dataset. Part B. Find the range of the dataset. Part C. Find the interquartile range of the dataset. A box and whisker plot shows the spread of a set of data. It is used to show the median, the quartiles, and the extremes. First, I will draw a number line. Since the minimum value in the dataset is 21 and the maximum value is 73, I will draw a number line from 20 to 80. I will use intervals of 2.5 with every other tick mark labeled. I will place 2 dots above the number line, 1 dot at 21, the minimum, and another dot at 73, the maximum. Now I need to find the median. The data values are listed from least to greatest. The median is the middle number. Since there are 13 data values, I will cross out 6 of the lowest values and 6 of the highest values. The median is 46. Next, I need to find the medians of the 2 halves of the data. These 2 medians, and the median for the entire set, divides the data into 4 quarters, or quartiles. The first half has 6 numbers. The median of these data values is the average of the middle 2 numbers. I will label this point Q sub 1, which is short for first quartile. Q sub 1 is equal to the sum of 32 and 35 divided by 2. This equals 33.5. Now I need to find Q sub 3, the third quartile. It is the median of the second half of the set. Q sub 3 is the average of 57 and 61, the 2 middle numbers of the second half of the dataset. To find the average, I will add 57 and 61 and divide the sum by 2. This is 59. I have all the information I need to draw the box and whisker plot. First, I will draw the box. The ends of the box are at Q sub 1 and Q sub 3. So from 33.5 to 59. Then I will draw a line in the box to represent the median value of 46. Now I will draw the whiskers from the minimum value 21 to Q sub 1 and from Q sub 3 to the maximum value of 73. My box and whisker plot is complete. Now I need to find the range. The range is the greatest data value minus the least data value. The greatest data value is 73. The least data value is 21. I will subtract to find the range. 73 minus 21 is 52. The range is 52. Lastly, I need to find the interquartile range. The interquartile range is the difference between Q sub 3 and Q sub 1. It is the width of the box, which is 59 minus 33.5. The interquartile range is 25.5. Box and whisker plots are useful because they summarize a lot of key information about a dataset, the median, the quartiles, and the extremes. Now that I've mastered box and whisker plots, I can draw one to summarize the data I collected about the blocks in my town.